Hello everyone, my name is Sebastian Burnell and I am one of the email and SMS designers at FAM Marketing. Today I'm going to show you how to use one of Photoshop's tools called Generative Fill. This tool, based on artificial intelligence, allows us to do things like add objects, remove objects, expand images, among others. Once we have successfully opened up the workspace and have carefully selected the specific image that we want to work with, we will utilize one of the various selection tools available to us. With this tool, we will meticulously select the specific areas of the canvas where we feel it is necessary for our image to expand to ensure it fits our creative vision. After making your desired selection, we'll navigate down to the contextual menu at the bottom and click on the option that says Generative Fill. Here we can choose from the various artificial intelligence models that Photoshop offers us for our work. There is Gemini, which is developed by Google, the Flux model, and finally Firefly, which is Adobe's own engine. To expand the boundaries of this image, we are going to utilize the powerful and creative capabilities of Adobe Firefly. In the text prompt field, we are not going to write anything at all. We will leave it completely empty and blank, as this allows the artificial intelligence to carefully analyze and use the image's own internal information to expand the scene. Once we are ready, we will simply click on the Generate button to begin the entire generation process. As we look closely at the screen, we can see that the final result is remarkably natural. In fact, the artificial intelligence system offers us 3 distinct variations for our consideration, which allows us to carefully evaluate them and choose the specific one that we like the best. In my own specific case, for this particular project, I am going to go ahead and keep option number 3. Now, if we decided that we really wanted to add a brand new object to the overall composition, such as carefully placing a pair of glasses onto this subject, we would first need to very precisely select the area around the eyes. After doing that, we click on the Generative Fill button, and for this particular task, we are going to select Gemini. We choose this specific option because it is a much more advanced, powerful, and sophisticated artificial intelligence model compared to the others available. Once that is all set, we move over here to the text input section, where we will manually add our specific and highly descriptive prompt. Here, as you can see, the glasses we added blend in very well with the overall image. If we turn the layer on and off, we can clearly see a before and after. Now, if we wanted to remove a specific object from the image, in this case the watch, we do the same thing. We select the area of the watch, click on Generative Fill, and in the text input field, we type out the prompt to remove it. Then we click on Generate. As you can clearly see, the tool successfully removed the watch without affecting any other areas of the image, leaving a very natural finish. Those were a couple of tips on how to use this tool in Photoshop. Thank you very much for watching and subscribe to our channel.